The DJI Neo has lots of cool ways to control it. One of them that I missed out of my last video because I'm stupid is voice control. We're going to try every single voice control function today and try to do that within 3 batteries. Stick around to the end for the one killer feature with the voice control app that I think DJI should have included but didn't. It's going to be quite funny. Now, I've been flying drones for a couple of years and videoing myself do it. And there have been plenty of times when I've had to shout at my drones for being naughty. Ouch. There were people behind me as well. That was embarrassing. Don't you do that to me again. That hurt. So let's see how we get on with the Neo today. Do you know what I'm going to do here for every successful attempt? I'm going to really annoy the editor by putting a count up here. So the first thing we need to do is press this button here so that you can use your voice commands. If we check the settings, you can see a few examples of what you can say. And also you can use voice wake up. So if you say, hey fly,
here.
Ooh, that switches on voice control, which is quite cool. Okay, we're going to follow. There we go. So we're following now. And, well, let's see what happens. If we just walk along here, I'm just going to walk down here a little bit. Leave you up there. I'm here. When you are using follow, you can say higher. Higher.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
Higher.
Got it.
There we go. Going up now. Further. Further.
No problem.
There we go. So now going back further. Now we can say flat.
Please? No, you can't! Well, there's no need for that.
Flat.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
I think my microphone might be blocked on my phone. Let's try again. Higher.
Got it.
There we go. Right, better go back to my camera. I might have to speed some of these bits up. Lower.
Got it.
That's actually not a bad sky, is it? Next thing we're going to do is direction track. So this is where I walk forward and hopefully the Neo will stay in front of me as well. Direction track. Direction track.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
Direction track. Direction track. Direction track.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
Direction track. Direction track.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
You can't! You've done it again!
Let's try something else before we use up this battery. I've got a list of the commands here. Now I can hear a plane. Let's do a 5-meter Dronie.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
5-meter Dronie.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
5-meter Dronie.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
5-meter Dronie.
Dronie.
Crikey. There we go, I'm coming back. Now, one thing that this does do is it stops recording at the end of a Dronie and then starts recording again as it comes back, which is a bit odd. Right, next thing. You coming with me? You're staying in spotlight mode, are you? Okay. Let's try something else then. Hang on. Follow.
Follow.
Just getting closer to you a bit. 10-meter circle. 10-meter circle.
I didn't hear you clearly.
10-meter circle. 10-meter circle.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
10-meter circle. 10-meter circle.
Circle.
Well, it's doing a circle. Is that going to hit the camera? Oh, just missed you. Well, that definitely wasn't 10 meters, was it? Should we try that again? Circle, 10 meters.
Circle.
Aha!
Aha!
Someone's got an Air 3 up. Oh, that's close to the ground. Hello, right. Well, that's the circle. What have we got next? Right, come back over here then. I think you have to say the movement first, then the measurement, not the other way around. So let's try this. Rocket, 10 meters.
Rocket.
Got it. There we go, now it starts recording. I've also got the setting on rocket to actually swivel as it does it at the same time. 10 meters is quite big. What is it, about 30 feet? Oh, there we go, it's got to the top, it's coming back down again now. Now will it land on my head? Okay, so it's finished. We've finished the rocket. We need to do a large boomerang, I think, so we don't hit the camera. 12-meter boomerang.
Boomerang.
See, it understood that. It's going to be really boring. I don't really know what to talk about other than the DJI Neo at the moment. I guess what I could say is thank you to everyone that's subscribed so far. And if you are interested in this stuff, please do hit like. It's very important that you hit like. Otherwise, YouTube doesn't realise that people actually enjoy watching this. And if you can hit subscribe, that would be great as well. Right, here he comes. Right, what are we doing next? Helix. Okay. I wonder if we can say anti-clockwise. Let's see. 7-meter helix anti-clockwise. Got to press the speak button first. Might as well just press the buttons. If you've got to press the speak button every time, you might as well just select it in here. Helix, 12 meters, anti-clockwise. There we go. Don't think you can actually get too customizable with it. So you'd have to set that in the settings. That's kind of fun though, isn't it? Where are we on the battery? Got 20% left. That's... Oh, signal was just lost then. Whoa, there we go. That's done. Those are those bits done. Now let's try spotlight. So that's where the drone stays still and just follows me around. Spotlight.
Spotlight.
Let's see if we can get it to go higher. Higher.
Aircraft is already performing a task. Try again when finished.
Okay, so you probably have to set that before you do it. Anyway, let's just test the spotlight. I'll have a quick run round. There we go. There, that's spotlight. What happens if I go under? Ah, that got you, didn't it? Here I am. Don't worry. Right, let's stop spotlight. There are some other safety aspects as well, so there's brake, stop and land. Let's try brake first. Circle, 10 meters.
Circle.
I don't really know what the difference between brake and stop is.
Critically low battery warning.
Right, that's one battery then. Okay.
Critically low battery warning.
So that's one battery. It's okay. I've got another two. Start.
No problem.
Yeah, I don't know what she thinks start means, that woman in there, but right, let's start recording anyway. This would be actually a lot easier if I just press the buttons on here. Let's do stop.
Got it.
There. just stop. All right, let's go for direction track again. And this time we're going to use brake. We're going to see what brake does. Brake.
Got it.
Just does the same as stop. I think one thing you do need to do is wait for the little ding once it's actually acknowledged your command. Otherwise, if you walk away, it doesn't start locking onto you. I'm too close to you again. Land.
Okay.
Landing.
A bit too much dry grass there. Sod off. It would be just so much fun if you could customize what you say to make these actions actually happen. Go on, DJI, let us do it, please. Right, come here.
Landing.
Bye.